Namaste and welcome to your Zen Zone. This week's meditation is a perfect meditation for anybody, any day. It's simple, yet what we're learning is less can truly be more. So please with that, sit up nice and tall and close your eyes. You can start by taking a couple deep breaths and make any extra adjustments in the body you need, just so you can click into that place that feels good. And I invite you to send your awareness throughout your entire physical body and just notice what it's like to be in your body today. Notice what's tight or sore or awake or sleepy. Notice where the energy flows or where it feels blocked. What is it like to be in your physical body today? And then really gently shift your awareness to your mental body, so your mind. And just observe what thoughts are running around up there. Notice if they're new thoughts or old thoughts. Sit back and just observe. There's no need to get intertangled or tangled up in them. And then gently shift your awareness to your emotional body or your heart, where your feelings lie. And notice what feelings are bubbling up at the surface. And then also notice if you can tune into the emotions that are just underneath the surface as well. Again, no right or wrong, just gathering information. And now shift your awareness to your energetic body or your spiritual body. You could think about this as the place that knows you better than you know yourself. It could be something inside of you or outside of you. However you connect with your spiritual essence. And see if you can also observe here. Open up to any sort of guidance or direction. It could be a word or a song or color or shape. And now gather up everything you gained in your check-in and pull together your physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual selves and bring them all together as you draw your hands into prayer in front of your heart. And then scanning through everything that stood out to you in your check-in, set an intention for your day. And then seal that intention with a cleansing breath. When you're ready, release your hands to your thighs, lift your head if it's dropped, and slowly open your eyes.